Alright guys, what's going on? So today I am going to do something different. We are going to be riding our Kawasaki in these high winds for the very first time ever. So please do me a solid favor, hit the like button right now. Do it with me. Like the video right now guys, right now. And then subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the bell notification button so you guys don't miss out on a video upload. And hit the bell I already told you guys to do that. Share the video with your friends, family, and then if you got any social media platforms including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more, do that for me right now. And then yeah guys, it's really windy out here. Let me show you real quick. Let me show you guys real quick how windy it is, just so you guys know I'm not lying. And just so you guys don't think this video is clickbait, because it is not clickbait. Alright, so look at this. Look at that guys. The wind is 18 miles per hour wind and 31 mile per hour wind gusts. I highly recommend you not to ride in this windy weather if you're a beginner rider. But I'm a advanced rider. I've been riding for 12 plus years, but we're just gonna act like it's our first time riding in this wind, because it technically is our first time. I was kind of hesitant on going out today because it's so windy, but you know, for you guys I'll do anything. And I just thought about this video idea and I thought it would be a great idea to do. So if you don't want to ride in this windy weather, you could just watch me ride in it myself. Let's get a thumbnail real quick. What do you guys think? Yeah, maybe right here, or maybe just like this, or maybe we come around this angle. Hold on, don't leave yet. I'm just getting a thumbnail for you guys. Or maybe we do it like this, or like this, or like this, or like that, or like that. All right, we're good. We got something we can work with. All right, let's go guys. I want to record some TikToks too, but I'm not gonna keep you guys hold it up. We're gonna go get this video made and then we'll record some TikToks. All right, let's go. Like I said, it's really windy out. I would highly recommend you not riding in this much like wind if you're a beginner rider and you're not used, like you're still a beginner, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you're a beginner rider, I highly recommend you not riding in this windy weather, because it is really windy out. I was a little hesitant to go out on myself, but I thought this would be a banger video idea and I had to do it for you guys. So here we are. This is going to be a very windy ride, so I'm not going to be talking much, but enjoy. And you already know, K-Riders, yes, we're going out on the main road. Why would we ride in really windy weather and just stay in the neighborhood? Come on. Trust me, I'm gonna make this video the best video, and I'm gonna put our limits to the test, and I'm gonna test my skills to the max. And this video will be uploaded indeed tonight sometime. Today is what, Tuesday? So yeah, you'll see this video on Tuesday sometime. Now if you see it tomorrow because maybe you're sleeping, I don't know, but this video will be uploaded sometime tonight when I get back to the house. And trust me, I'm not going to wait until like 11 o'clock to upload it. It'll be uploaded like it before 8. Turn signal, buddy. Apparently that Ford don't know how to use his turn signal. Everybody's getting thumbs up. I don't know if he was giving me a thumbs up or what, but you guys know what that means. Like this video right now. minutes. We go a little longer. So yeah, yesterday and the day before you guys saw flat drive rides. So those are the rides that I recorded for when it's too cold out to ride. I can upload those. And I will be going in the next day of riding. I will be going over what I got planned for the winter. Let's see where we're at. We're at what, 19 minutes, 16 minutes, whatever it is, it's good enough. All right guys, well, I'm gonna end the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And in the next one, I'll probably be going over with what I got planned for the winter. So I'll see you guys in that one. Peace.